Hi guys, this is Asha Neog. Welcome back to my channel ANG Creations. I am back with one bottle decor tutorial. For that I need one small bottle, some jute rope or yarn. So I'll start quickly. Next I need some white glue. I am done with the first step. I have covered the entire bottle with jute rope. So my next step is I need some more ropes. This is not jute one. This is made out of paper. You will get this easily in any stationery shop. So what I have made with this, I have made some designs like this. I will show you one how to make it. Friends, I'm done now. See, it's looking very pretty and it's very easy. So please try this at home. I really hope you like it. If you like it, click on the like button, share, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.